Alright, so today we are going to be going over what if analysis. You should have hopped on Blackboard and clicked on lessons and downloaded K1 here, the steps. So this is what your screen should look like. Alright, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so it's a little easier to see for you guys. Okay, so a what if analysis is used when companies want to kind of foresee the future if they plan on spending a lot of money or cutting budgets somewhere. They can see how it's going to affect their charts or income and expenses, um, figures such as those. Alright, so first step that we have to do in Unit K here on page 252, if you're going to follow along with your work packet or the PDF online, is we need to select cells C3 through E3. Okay. From here we're going to click on our Data tab, and then we're going to click on What If Analysis. Alright, so like I said, we're going to go into select C3 through E3, go to What If Analysis, and then Scenario Manager. Okay, from here we're going to click Add. The first thing we're going to add is going to be original sales figures. Okay, and we'll hit OK. And now these are original sales figures, so as you look up, we can compare C3 to C3 here, and we can see that it's the exact same number that's showing up here. Alright. From here we're going to add another one. We're going to call this one increase Feb, Mar, April by 5,000. So you're going to have to do a little math now. Increase those by 5,000, so those should all read 58,876, 6772, and 56,706. Alright, an increase. And now we're going to go ahead and add one more, and this will be increase Feb, Mar, April to 10,000. Okay. And here, since we're adding 10,000, we can just change that to a 6. Simple math there. Whoops. 6. And hit OK. Alright. So now, as you can see, we've changed. Let me just hop into this. So, as you can see, it says enter values for each of the changing cells. So now we entered it, so now Excel knows that, if we select this one, watch the numbers here, it's going to increase by 10,000. Alright, just for those months, just for those cells. So we can see that if that were to happen in the US, our percentage of total sales would change, let's say here, see here, about 1.5%. Alright, so our sales total would go up 1.5%. Alright, so that is the first page. Oh, 1 second. Hop back in here, make sure you guys have original sales figures highlighted, so show that. It should say 30.32 up here in I3, okay? So before you close out, make sure you do that.